how to use influencers on a budget. So, what is an influencer? Simply put, an influencer is somebody that has the power to affect opinions, behaviors, and purchasing decisions of other people. It's typically due to their authority in a certain area, knowledge or position, or possibly the already established relationship with their followers. They've often built those followers on social media platforms, but sometimes also on blogs and other digital spaces. And their content is usually a very specific niche. So there are four main types of influencers. There's the megas, the macros, the micros, and the nanos. I think the nanos will be the most relevant to local businesses, but possibly into the micros if you've got a bigger area, perhaps. This is usually a very small but very loyal and engaged community. So they might be up to sort of 10,000 followers, but they'll be really interacting with those followers. There'll be lots of conversations, shares, competitions, etc. By building that relationship with a nano influencer is a great way to cross promote. So you're looking for someone that will align with your brand, but maybe not have the same followers, or maybe they might have many more than yours, but you can offer something extra to their followers. So it could be another established brand. It could be a community figure. It could be the head of a community group or a well-known spokesperson, possibly something to do with a local charity that aligns with your beliefs. Or it could be just a local expert. So somebody that is teaching something, possibly wellness, fitness, nutrition, anything along those lines that might align with your brand. It could be great to get in front of that particular influencer. So when you come to join forces, you're offering an exchange. It doesn't have to be money. It could well be a product. So you could be offering them a veg box once a week, once a month. You could just offer them a one-off gift in order to bring them on board with helping you promote your brand and likewise theirs. You could possibly counter promote. So you could promote their stuff while they promote yours. There's literally no exchange of anything. You're just helping each other promote to different audiences. You could run collaborative posts, which are a great way to amplify what you're saying on social media. And you could run joint competitions to make the prices bigger, the audience bigger, etc. And you can actively share each other's content. So whenever you spot that they've shared something, you would automatically share it to your stories or your posts on Facebook or whatever. You will be actively sharing that content without having to ask each other. So by joining together and joining forces, you will extend your reach, and it can be a fantastic and easy way to bring in extra followers and thus possibly extra customers. I hope this has been useful, and I look forward to seeing what you do with it.